So guys, today is the day 3 of our trip and we are in the Alpbach region of Austria. It's around 11 in the morning and we are hiking in the Schatzberg Mountain. Let me show the view. You can see how beautiful it is. Maybe it's not that clear on the camera, but I can see the real beauty with my eyes.
So let's continue. We're going one level up again. So we have come from here, the valley, and it's actually very quiet and beautiful weather. I mean, looking at the amazing beauty this place has to offer, it's so surprising that there are no people. Let's go one more level up and then we come down because the descent won't be that difficult. So Palak has concerns climbing up and she is asking how long should we...
Yeah, I have a concern for our age, not for me.
Oh, that's always a good excuse. Blame it on the kid.
Really? See, what is this? Kind of
Looks like an old motor.
This for kids?
Or maybe it's something is discarded.
This for kids?
Looks like something for cutting the trees maybe is no longer in use.
Shower.
You think it's a shower? No, definitely not.
No, not shower, it's a fountain. Like, he wants to say fountain, not shower.
Oh, like that. Okay. I think we are filming a lot, right? I hope it's not getting boring. So let's do some running. Let's do some running. It really feels good to run every now and then. And look at this.
Put this thing like this.
Wow,
This.
this is some proper hiking. Very good.
Like I did the bicycle.
Hiking would be more easy with this stick.
You want to fly on the stick?
Bicycle.
Oh, yeah, you don't know Harry Potter yet.
Bicycle
can-
can
He
fly.
knows that bitch uses the broom. You know the bitch.
You think it's like a broom or a bicycle? He said it's a bicycle.
No. He's a stick. It was put down in the rocks.
Look at this tree. Ah, it has its root coming out.
It's not falling.
It's
Mom,
sort of eroded. Soil?
it's like a house.
No, this is
The
a
rain.
tree, its root, and it has eroded. It's just hanging in there.
The monkey.
Yeah. So this looks like almost the end of this particular part, and I see again a shed, a storage house. I don't know where it goes. Let's see, guys. It's looking towards the valley. Oh wow, we have found a little stream here. Think it is maybe drinkable water. But look at the view from here. We're even higher in this mountain. Could be. This is a shed owned by someone. I don't see a fence. So I'm just walking past it. Maybe this is just a walking route. Looks like a place for cows. Exactly. So this is a cow shed actually. I think we can drink this water. Let me try. Not from there. I think we should get it from the boat. Ooh. It's very fresh. It's really good. I really like it. It's coming from the mountain, from the glacier. Alps.
Start. Chicken, banana. Chicken, banana. Chicken, banana. Chicken, banana. Alpbach is a small village in Austria located in Tyrol region surrounded by Tyrolean Alps, which is around 1000 meters above sea level. It has been voted Austria's most beautiful village. The village has strict building regulations to maintain its classic wooden chalet style. It is popular for skiing in winters and hiking, mountain biking, and paragliding in summers.
By the way, our drone is hungry and tired, so it's coming back to us. But Alpbach is amazing. And
It is also awarded as Blumendorf means flower village.
by the way, there are some rabbits here where we are staying. They're hiding now. So we are almost to our destination, to our Airbnb. Let's go.